Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the background noise while recording. It's basically going to remove the noise that's in the background. It could be someone speaking in the background or some music playing in the background, whatever it is. It's easy to remove. So just follow what I do here. You go into start, and then you go into control panel, and then you go into sound. Just click on that, and then you go into recording, and then you'll have your microphone here. You right click on that, and you go to properties, and then you see all these tabs up here. You go to the one that says enhancements, and this one, noise suppression. It'll probably be like this. You're just gonna tick that, and you just press apply after that, and OK, and then you just press OK here, and then hopefully when you record a video or whatever you record, the background noise will be gone, so it'll just be whatever's in the mic. So it'll really help in getting the video quality better and the sound quality. That's it. That's how easy it is. So thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.